Unlocking Success, Master Project Management Strategies. Explore the fascinating realm of project management, where real-life success stories illuminate the path to excellence. Witness how seasoned professionals transform challenges into triumphs, showcasing the true power of effective management strategies. These stories inspire and provide invaluable insights into navigating the complexities of diverse projects with confidence and skill. Effective project management is defined by a blend of strategic planning, clear communication, and adaptability. It involves setting achievable goals, aligning team efforts, and anticipating potential hurdles. Successful managers possess a keen ability to balance resources, time, and cost while fostering a collaborative environment that encourages innovation and problem-solving. Mastering project management is crucial for achieving organizational success and staying competitive. It ensures projects are completed on time and within budget while meeting quality standards. Proficient managers drive team productivity, enhance stakeholder satisfaction, and contribute to the organization's growth by delivering consistent results and fostering a culture of continuous improvement. Setting clear, achievable goals from the outset is vital for project success. Well-defined objectives provide direction and focus, ensuring all team members are aligned and motivated. By establishing concrete targets, project managers create a roadmap that guides decision-making and measures progress, ultimately leading to successful project outcomes. Prioritizing tasks is essential for maximizing efficiency and maintaining project momentum. By identifying the most critical activities, managers can allocate resources effectively and ensure that crucial deadlines are met. This focus on priority tasks helps prevent bottlenecks, reduces stress, and enhances the team's ability to deliver high-quality results consistently. To ensure success in project management, using the SMART criteria for goal setting is essential. This approach helps define goals that are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, providing clarity and direction. By adhering to these criteria, teams can focus their efforts and measure progress effectively. A flexible project timeline is crucial for accommodating unexpected changes. While initial plans provide structure, adaptability allows teams to adjust as needed. This flexibility helps manage resources better and keeps the project on track, even when faced with unforeseen circumstances or new opportunities. Clear and open communication among team members is vital for project success. Establishing an environment where team members feel comfortable sharing ideas and feedback fosters collaboration and innovation. Effective communication ensures everyone is aligned and informed, reducing misunderstandings and enhancing overall team performance. To streamline interactions and maintain effective communication, leveraging communication tools is essential. Platforms like Slack, Microsoft Teams, or Zoom facilitate real-time discussions, file sharing, and updates, ensuring that all team members stay connected. These tools help maintain productivity and ensure that communication is clear, concise, and accessible. Delegating tasks according to team strengths optimizes performance by leveraging individual expertise. Understanding each team member's skills and assigning tasks accordingly enhances efficiency and job satisfaction. By aligning tasks with strengths, project managers can ensure that work is completed to a high standard, fostering a sense of achievement and motivation. Delegating tasks effectively is crucial for a project's success. By matching tasks to team members' strengths, you can boost productivity and morale. Understanding each individual's skills allows for optimal task distribution, ensuring that everyone contributes meaningfully and efficiently, and the project progresses smoothly toward its goals. Project management software is an indispensable tool in today's fast-paced environment. It helps keep everything organized, from timelines to task lists. Choosing the right software tailored to your project's needs can streamline processes, enhance collaboration, and provide a centralized platform for tracking progress and managing resources effectively. Regularly reviewing and adjusting project plans is essential for staying on track. This proactive approach allows teams to identify potential issues early and adapt to changes. By implementing agile methodologies, you can ensure flexibility and responsiveness, enabling the team to pivot as necessary without losing momentum. Proactively managing risks is fundamental to avoiding setbacks. By anticipating potential challenges and developing a robust risk management plan, you can mitigate issues before they arise. This approach not only safeguards the project's progress but also instills confidence within the team, fostering a proactive and resilient work environment. Celebrating milestones is vital for maintaining team motivation and morale. Acknowledging achievements, big or small, keeps the team energized and committed. Implementing a reward system for reaching goals can reinforce positive behavior and sustain momentum, ensuring that everyone remains focused and engaged throughout the project's lifecycle. In the ever-evolving landscape of project management, regularly reviewing and adjusting project plans is crucial. This demands a flexible approach that accommodates new insights and challenges. By embracing change, teams can refine their strategies, ensuring projects remain on track and aligned with overarching goals, thus enhancing overall success. Implementing agile methodologies offers a dynamic framework for adaptability. This approach encourages iterative progress, frequent reassessment, and responsiveness to change. By breaking projects into manageable phases, teams can swiftly pivot when necessary, minimizing disruptions and optimizing outcomes, while maintaining a clear focus on delivering value to stakeholders. Proactive risk management is vital to preempt potential setbacks. Identifying and analyzing risks early allows teams to develop contingency plans and mitigate issues before they escalate. This foresight not only safeguards project timelines and resources but also fosters a culture of preparedness and resilience. Celebrating milestones is an effective way to maintain team motivation and morale. Recognizing achievements, big or small, reinforces a sense of accomplishment and progress. This can be achieved through simple acknowledgments or rewards, creating a positive and encouraging work environment that drives continued commitment and enthusiasm. Fostering a collaborative team environment is key to project success. Encouraging open communication and teamwork ensures diverse perspectives are valued, leading to innovative solutions. Through regular team-building activities, members can strengthen their relationships, enhancing trust and cooperation, which ultimately contributes to a more cohesive and productive team dynamic. Keeping stakeholders informed with regular updates ensures transparency and trust. By maintaining open communication, you ensure that everyone is aligned with the project's progress and any changes. This ongoing dialogue helps manage expectations and prevents misunderstandings, fostering a collaborative atmosphere where stakeholders feel valued and invested in the project's success. Scheduling periodic review meetings with stakeholders is essential for maintaining momentum and addressing concerns promptly. These meetings provide an opportunity to discuss project developments, gather feedback, and make necessary adjustments. By engaging stakeholders regularly, you build a strong partnership, ensuring their needs and insights are considered throughout the project lifecycle. Learning from past projects is crucial for continuous improvement and future success. By analyzing previous outcomes, you can identify what worked well and what didn't. This reflection helps refine processes, avoid repeating mistakes, and implement best practices, ultimately enhancing the effectiveness and efficiency of future projects. Conducting post-project evaluations offers valuable insights that drive improvement. By reviewing what was achieved and what challenges were encountered, teams can learn and grow. This critical analysis not only highlights areas for development but also celebrates successes, fostering a culture of learning and continuous enhancement. Balancing scope, time, and cost effectively demands careful management and strategic planning. These elements, often referred to as the project management triangle, are interconnected and require constant attention. Striking the right balance ensures project objectives are met without compromising quality, keeping the project on track and within budget. Conducting post-project evaluations is essential for gaining valuable insights and identifying areas for improvement. By systematically analyzing what worked well and what didn't, teams can refine their processes and enhance future project outcomes. This reflective practice fosters a culture of continuous learning and adaptation, paving the way for ongoing success. Balancing scope, time, and cost is a delicate act that requires careful consideration and strategic planning. By effectively managing these elements, project managers can ensure that projects meet their objectives without overextending resources. Leveraging the project management triangle as a guide helps maintain equilibrium and achieve optimal project performance. Staying adaptable to changing project requirements is vital in today's dynamic environment. Project managers must be prepared to pivot and adjust plans when necessary, ensuring that evolving needs are met. Building a robust change management process facilitates seamless transitions and supports team agility in response to unforeseen challenges. Encouraging feedback from all team members enhances project processes and fosters a collaborative environment. By actively seeking input, project managers can identify pain points and implement improvements. Setting up anonymous feedback channels ensures honest communication, empowering team members to share insights freely and contribute to the project's success. Maintaining a positive attitude through challenges is crucial for team morale and project success. Project managers should practice resilience-building exercises to support their teams in navigating obstacles. This proactive approach helps cultivate a supportive work environment where challenges are viewed as opportunities for growth and development. Staying adaptable in project management is crucial as requirements often evolve. Successfully managing change ensures your project remains relevant and effective. By embracing flexibility, you can smoothly integrate new ideas, address unexpected challenges, and maintain alignment with stakeholders' needs. This adaptability fosters innovation and keeps your team prepared for the unexpected. Building a change management process is essential for handling evolving project needs. This involves setting up a structured approach to assess, approve, and implement changes efficiently. By establishing clear protocols, you can minimize disruptions, ensure team alignment, and maintain project momentum while accommodating necessary adjustments, ultimately leading to successful outcomes. Encouraging feedback from team members and stakeholders is vital for refining project processes. Open feedback channels allow insights into what's working and what needs improvement. By fostering an inclusive environment for input, you promote continuous learning and improvement, enhancing your project's overall effectiveness and team satisfaction. Setting up anonymous feedback channels can significantly enhance the honesty and transparency of responses. Team members may feel more comfortable sharing constructive feedback without fear of repercussions. This approach can uncover valuable insights and foster a culture of openness, ultimately leading to refined processes and a more cohesive project team. Maintaining a positive attitude during challenges is crucial for project success. A positive mindset not only boosts morale but also inspires resilience in the face of setbacks. By modeling optimism and focusing on solutions, you can lead your team through difficulties and create an environment where challenges are viewed as opportunities for growth. Consider a tech startup that transformed chaotic workflows into streamlined success. By adopting agile methodologies, they improved communication, met deadlines, and exceeded client expectations. Their journey illustrates how strategic planning and adaptability can lead to project management excellence, serving as a beacon for others aiming to achieve similar triumphs. Mastering project management yields long-term benefits, such as increased efficiency and team satisfaction. It empowers leaders to navigate complex projects with ease, fostering innovation and growth. By honing these skills, individuals and organizations can stay ahead in competitive environments, ensuring sustained success and resilience in the face of challenges. Now is the time to implement these strategies in your projects. Embrace clear communication, effective delegation, and agile practices to transform your project outcomes. Start with small changes and witness the ripple effect of improved productivity and team morale, setting the stage for future achievements. We invite you to share your project management tips and experiences in the comments. Your insights could inspire others to refine their approach and achieve success. Engaging in this dialogue fosters a community of learners who are committed to continuous improvement and excellence in project management. Thank you for joining us on this journey to enhance your project management skills. Subscribe to our channel for more insights, tips, and real-life examples. Together, let's continue to explore the art of managing projects effectively and unlock new potentials for success. Like, share, subscribe, share, and like for more informative videos.